the people who make up Foundant, you can really tell that they care about what they do and helping their customers. My name is Chryssovergis. I'm with the UCare Foundation in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Before we had Foundant, it was essentially an Excel spreadsheet and paper copies, and that was it. It was imperative that we needed a system that can work for us, but also for the applicants as well. Gathering demographic information is going to be more and more important to us as we publicize our grant campaigns, as we get inquiries from our public affairs department where they want to meet with somebody at the state capitol. We need to know what we've been doing in housing, who we funded in food insecurity, and I think that is going to just really, and what types of populations are we serving? So I think it really, that the GLM really helps us answer those questions and get it to them relatively quickly too. The thing I appreciate as a relatively new user is the access to help. I've used other systems, proprietary systems, and that support really isn't there. Sometimes you just get ghosted in other when you contact other people. But I was really pleased and surprised. So I would say, if you're looking for a system that's robust, that you can grow with, and that it will grow with you, I would say Foundant is the solution.